Hello, now I will speak about this little secret. Of course, it's not a secret at all. About how to keep in good shape and to burn more calories even during your daily routine, your daily activities. For examples, number one, you see, you want to read something, to educate yourself. In this case, I'm reading about cuisine, Chao Shan Cai, Chinese cuisine, and I am learning some stuff. But if I'm just reading, it's nearly useless. During my reading, I can use some tools to exercise my body. You see, at the same time, I'm reading, it's from the Chaoshan region in the eastern part of China's Guangdong province, which includes the cities of Chaozhou, Shantou, and Zhejiang, and so on and so on. And then continuing to read, starting with another tool, the dumbbell, or if you don't want to use it, you can just from time to time do some squats like this. Yeah, reading, up and down, down and up. Yep. All right. Example number 2. Let's say you want to move a chair from one place to another place. You will take the chair and you can move it. But during you walk, you can just make something like this or like this. Spend some seconds to practice, to burn at least 1 calorie. Yep. Well, example number 3. Let's say you have to move another thing, like this air fryer. Well, you can just put it right, but why not to take a break, stop for a while, do some interesting exercise like this. Of course, be careful, don't drop it. And number 4, even when you're cooking some rice, you can do exercises with this thing. Yeah, it's not very heavy, maybe just 1 kilo altogether, but few times, yeah, like this, like that. All of these activities are keeping you in better shape. You are burning more calories and you can even enjoy your work. Yeah, if you just boil rice, maybe it's boring, but when you use this, when you use even this to do some sport activity, it's already a sort of joy. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.